Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the 16-digit code, CVV, and expiry printed on the card. This is how merchants and Hdfc authenticate value. Once done, register or activate the gift card via Hdfc gift card portal or the phone line. You'll need your ID and the card details. Make sure to record the available balance immediately after activation. It prevents surprises at checkout. You should also note any merchant restrictions and the expiry date so you can plan purchases before value diminishes. When paying online, choose card payment and enter the 16-digit number and PIN exactly as shown. Small typos cause declines. Once entered, the gateway authorizes the requested amount against the stored balance. If the value is lower than your cart, you must use split payment. Select a secondary card or wallet for the remainder. Make sure the billing name and address match the registration details to reduce verification friction. If the site asks for card type, pick prepaid or gift card if provided. At a physical store, hand the card to the cashier and request it be processed as a gift or prepaid card. The terminal will swipe or key in the 16-digit number and PIN and then authorize. If the card balance is insufficient, immediately ask for split tender so you can pay the remainder by cash, card, or wallet. If a transaction is declined, stop and check activation status, remaining balance, and expiry. If issues persist, call Hdfc customer care with the card details. This typically resolves authorization or acceptance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.